The OmniScan MX2 software contains wizards to make common tasks simple and fast. The wizards provide a step-by-step guide that replaces the need to populate many parameters in many places. The part weld setup wizards are used to create a basic setup file prior to calibration and inspection. The wizards guide the user through a step-by-step procedure to populate parameters for the material, probe, wedge, scanner orientation, focal law calculator, and gate position. To create a basic setup file, select Menu, Wizards, Part and Weld. Enter the component thickness, enter the component material from the database, and CSC mode, normal plate and pipe orientation, select plate, and for the circumferential scanning, OD or ID options. Continue to the Setup Wizard. The Setup Wizard can modify an existing group or add additional groups to the current setup file. The groups are created either with phased array on the phased array connector or conventional ultrasound using accessories. The probe information is automatically available with auto detect on. The wedge is selected from a database. Select wedge family, wedge model number, enter scanner offsets if applicable, at this point all the parameters from the material, the probe, and the wedge have been entered. Select phased array law configuration for sector, linear, or linear at 0. Enter the number of legs. This will set the UT range to the appropriate position upon completion of the wizard. For the material selected under the part weld wizard, select the wave type for either shear wave or longitudinal. Enter the element quantity to be used in the aperture. This is directly equivalent to the probe size. And enter the position in the probe for the aperture. Enter the minimum and maximum angles, the angle step resolution, and the focal distance. Select gate position and generate. Upon completion of the setup wizard, calibration target should appear at the correct depth and position and ready for UT configuration and calibration.